Okay. For now, I guess for now, it is a... Whoa, it's a big zoom in of my face. Hi, hello, wow. No, it's when I, do that. I don't know, I thought I'd show you guys nice and close up, in case, like, yeah. Sorry, just distracted by me, myself, and I, boop, boop. Wait, I can get closer. Boop, boop, boop. Oh wait, I can't. Wait. Let me do this. Let me do this at full speed. Ready? For boop, boop. What? Whoa. Wait, I can faster? Sorry, I gotta stop. As you can see, my brain has been pizza-fied. So, no thoughts. Just... No, yeah, that's it. No thoughts. Yay! Oh no, you are a little late. Yeah, if you arrive on stream and it's Attack on Elia where it's like dun, 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 then yeah, you've reached the end. This is what Titan Elia is here for. Get in my mouth. Late for the stream but early for the VOD. I like that thinking. Ayo. But yes, it's not a bye-bye. Hopefully. Like, please come back. Onegaishimasu.